Now we're ready for Chapter 9. His focus in Chapter 9 is what he calls the model history tree, which is in the model browser there on the left, and how to use it to modify parts and how to change it. He adds a couple of other things. He likes to think of what's in the model browser as a history tree, where you can sort of he keeps track of the order that you do things in, so it's a binary tree. Shows your Boolean relations. It also lets you name the parts, so you can put some information about what each feature on the part is. And then you can use it to edit. That's where we're going to draw the saddle bracket. His approach is going to be to do a cross section from the side, extrude it both ways. He's going to go back and add the circular feature and show you how to, or I'll show you again because you've already done it, how to make a rectangular cut using the cut feature of extrude. And he's also going to show you how to use one of your other tools, which is your model, which is your hole tool, which is different than an extrude. So that'll be new. There's our model browser. It's there on the left. That's what he's calling the history tree. And you can see he's going to name each part, each feature, I should say. It's one part, each feature. So again, he's going to start with cross section. Remember, we're doing a sketch the shape first, go add the dimensions. Say, add the hole, or I'm sorry, add the circular end. And then he's going to show you how to use the hole, which is a 3D tool. Now, a lot of different things you can do with it. You can add threads. I mean, there's a number of things that you can do with it, a lot of features. We're just going to go straight through. And then he's going to play with the play with the extrude, use the cut, and show you how different types of cuts work to different distances. And then we're going to show you how to go back and edit a sketch once you've got it in your browser tree, so you can make changes. And then one thing that we're going to do, two things from this that we're going to do in all the drawings in the future is we're going to have you rename your features and have you set the eye properties. So Inventor has great calculational properties that we're not going to use much, but that engineers, once you start doing real parts, that do use, and you can tell it. There's a whole list of different materials you can make, and from all your ones from now on, you're going to need to set the material, and once you set those materials, it calculates all these different properties for you. Things that you will have seen in Calculus 2 and physics, moments of mass, area, volume, centroids, moments of inertia, all these good properties that you would need. Mass, weight, volume, area, center mass, moments of inertia. So on all of this is in Canvas 2, but starting with this exercise and all the ones that follow, I want to rename the features in the model browser. I'll count off if you don't, and you got to set the material. It usually tells you in the drawing or in the Canvas assignment, so I'll start counting off if you don't do those things. All right, well, that's Chapter 9. Shoot me an email if you have any questions.